right, guys, we got our roll oak getting warmed up on our Patriot Smoker little grill there. And we're gonna throw on some ribeyes here in just a minute. That's our steaks, seasoned up, ready to go on the grill. Can't waste that good juice. We got Cooking with Amber Nicole making us some mashed taters.
Okay.
You gonna make us a salad?
Mm-hmm. Easy to do.
Mm-hmm. All right, we got Allegro. This is what we put on them steaks. We had Allegro, and then we had some Cajun two-step Wichita, some Chupacabra wild game, and brisket magic.
You gotta do the
That's what they're looking like. Cut up, because we eat like kids. All right.
You gotta.
It's ready.
Okay. That's so good, baby.
Is it?
Mm-hmm.
1 to 10.
Definitely a 30.